Alright, hey guys, it's Troy with Basset Around. I'm going to cut loose this 23 and a quarter inch smallmouth I just caught. 5 pounds, 1 ounces. She's a little beat up, so I want to shoot a video just in case people try to say she looked pretty rough. So here we go, we're going to let her back in the water. Drop her down. Try to get her back with the water here. There she goes, she's swimming. She's swimming. Up on top. She just went down. Still with her. Tied off here, she's sitting down here on the rock now. Give her a little loop. There she is, looking up at us. You can see her.